After you signing in to your TurboTax account under TurboTax.intuit.com, you may click on the Tax Home button, and make sure if your return was accepted by the IRS already or not. And to check or track your federal refund after your return was accepted by the IRS, on your browser, you want to search for irs.gov/where's my refund like this, and hit enter button on your keyboard, which will take you to this page, and you may signing into your IRS account, and hit on Track My Refund button. This way IRS will let you know about your federal refund status. You may insert all the needed information by IRS, and tap on Submit button right here. Second, to check on your state refund status on the TurboTax, click on the search button at the top right of the screen, and typing in for state refund on the search bar, then click on See More button right here. On here, scroll down to the bottom of this tab, and TurboTax will provide you with the specific state that you filing the taxes before. Just click on the link, and you will be guided to your state refund status. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.